हेलो एवरीवन गाइस, जो बिगनर्स मुझे देख रहे हैं, जिन्होंने सेंटेंस मेकिंग तो सीख लिया है, उनको पता है कि अच्छा ये आई एम गोइंग, आई एम कमिंग, आई हैव रिटन, लेकिन वो बोल नहीं पाते, कहते कि हम प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें। गाइस, मैं तो कहता हूँ कि घर के अंदर आप बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं। आपसे कोई बात नहीं करता, हस्बैंड बात नहीं करता इंग्लिश में, वाइफ नहीं, बच्चे नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, आप अकेले में बात कर सकते हैं। कैसे? मान लीजिए कि आप अगर चाय बना रहे हैं, तो चाय जब आप बना रहे होंगे या आप खाना पका रहे होंगे तो आप कर रहे हो ना, आप एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो, वो सारी एक्टिविटी आखिर कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है। तो जो आप कर रहे हो उसको एक बार बोलते भी रहिए। मैं आपको परफॉर्म करके दिखाता हूं। जैसे अभी मैं जा रहा हूं चाय बनाने के लिए, मान लीजिए मैं एक बिगनर हूं, तो मैं जो जो करूंगा ना, जितनी एक्टिविटीज होंगी, मैं देखूंगा कि कैसे कैसे मेरे सेंटेंसेस इंग्लिश में निकलेंगे। तो शुरू करेंगे। चल, अब ये फ्रिज है, अब मैं जैसे फ्रिज खोल रहा हूं, अब मैं क्या बोलूंगा? अपने आप मुझे बोलना है कि ओके, now I am opening the door of the fridge and I am taking, सब present continuous है, I am taking a milk packet out of the fridge। देख रहे हैं? I am taking a milk packet out of the fridge। Now I have taken it out, I am closing the door, I have closed it। यहीं पर कई टेंस यूज हो गए। closing एक्टिविटी चल रही थी और I have closed it, ये मेरा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हो गया, completed। I have closed it। Now the milk packet is in my hand. Okay, I have to cut it from here. So I'm going to take the scissors, as you can see, and I just need to cut this part off, and here we go. I'm trying to cut. I'm not able to cut. I think the scissors are not sharp. However, I'm trying. And finally I have cut it off। देख रहे हैं कितनी इंग्लिश यहाँ पर यूज हो गई। Now I am placing my scissors back। Here we go। Now I have to take a cup। So I am going to take a cup from here, and here you can see I have taken a cup। Now I am going to pour some milk into this cup, and here we go। Now I'm pouring the milk into the cup, and I have taken 1 cup of milk। If I need more, I will take more। I am keeping this packet aside here। Now I have got this saucepan। There is no handle there is no handle attached to this saucepan। No problem, I have this plucker। I can use these pluckers। I would say pluckers क्योंकि plural में आते हैं दोस्तों, scissors, pluckers, pliers plural में आते हैं। Okay, so now I have to turn on the gas। So I'm taking this lighter। I just have to push in the knob, and here I will press the lighter from and push this button from behind, and oh god, it's very tough। Okay, once again I am going to try, and here we go। Yes, now you can see the flame। Now I am going to put this saucepan on the stove here, and I am going to take 1 cup of water first। You can see this cup is filled with water। I am going to take 1 cup of water। I am going to pour this water into the saucepan, and I have poured it। Now I am putting the cup back। You can see this is high flame, so I am going to turn the flame little down। Now I have to wait until water boils। You can see water, you can see I have to wait until I see some bubbles in the water, and then I will put other stuffs। So let's wait। So guys, as you can see here, camera person please come, as you can see some tiny bubbles here, it means it is boiling। Now I will put, first I have to, you can see this ginger, I have to peel it off little bit। I'm just peeling it off from here, and here we go, you can see it। Now I need to crush this small piece of ginger, so I'm just going to chop it off, you can see। and I don't have mortar, I only have this pestle, so I'm going to use this pestle to crush it. Yeah, and I have crushed it. Now I'm taking this crushed ginger and putting into the saucepan so that the water can get mixed with the juice of the ginger. And now I will put some tea leaf. So okay, see, I am twisting open the cap. Sara tense लगाइए, okay, and as you can see that I am holding this small spoon and taking 1 spoon of tea and putting into the saucepan. I need 1 more spoon because I am making tea for 2 people, so I am putting 1 more spoon of tea into the saucepan. Now I am putting this tea spoon back into the bottle and I am closing it or tightening it. Now I have kept it here. Now you can see the color of the water. So this is the time to pour this cup of milk. So I am going to pour 1 cup of milk, and here you can see I am pouring it. Now see the color of the water when milk got mixed with it, color changed. Now I have to wait until it gets boiled. Clove is there. Clove? Where is the clove? Here. In this. Okay, so I have to put some cloves and cardamom. So I have taken this small spice box and I'm opening it, and see, I have taken 2 pieces of cloves, as you can see, and I'm putting these pieces of cloves into the saucepan, and I have taken this 1 piece of cardamom. I'm just going to crush it little bit, yeah, and now I will put it into it. I'm closing the box and putting it back here, and now you can see it started boiling. Before it boils over, I have to turn the flame down, and the flame has been turned down. If I had not turned the flame down, it would have boiled over. Now let's wait for some more time. After that, tea will be ready. It will just take little time, and now I have to put some sugar. So here I have got some sugar in this box. So I'm going to twist open the cap, and I'm taking, I have to put 2 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of sugar, since this spoon is very small. So 1 spoon of sugar has been put. Now I'm taking 1 more spoon of sugar, and 1 more is required. I mean, little bit is required. Khushbu is giving me instructions. Okay, so little bit is required. Okay. So I rarely make tea, but today I'm trying, and I thought I must teach those students who are quite beginners, because you have to use, I mean, you can use English every day at your home. I'm telling you, that's the fact. So now I have tightened the cap, and I'm going to put both the boxes over here. So I have put them here. I'm going to put the ginger back here into this basket, and now I need the strainer. Where is the strainer? So as you can see, do you use this strainer or this one? This one? No, this one. This one. Okay. So okay, I have to use this strainer. As I told you that I rarely make tea, so I have no idea which strainer is used regularly. So I have to use this strainer. So turn the flame little high. Yeah, now it is okay. And if I want, I can stir it. I can stir it with this spoon like this. See, I am stirring it with a spoon. See guys, whatever you are doing, आप जो भी कर रहे हो सब कोई ना कोई टेंस है. अब मैं ये कर रहा हूँ तो ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस है ना, तो मैं यूज करूंगा. आई एम स्टरिंग इट. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं, आप खाना बनाओ, बर्तन साफ करो, आप अंग्रेजी बोलते रहो. ओके, सो नाउ आई हैव स्टॉप्ड stirring it. I am putting the spoon here. I should put it here. So, or I should just wash it. There is no water, no water right now. Okay, I can wash it like this. See, I am washing it. And now I can say, okay, I have washed it. Completed action. I have washed it. Or in passive, it has been washed. It has been washed. Now I am putting it back into this glass. Now I believe tea is ready. So come, see the tea. It seems to be ready. Let me turn up the flame little high. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now I'm turning it off. So since there is no handle, so I have to use these pluckers. So see, so now I am going to hold the saucepan with these pluckers, and now I'm holding it. Now I have to strain the tea. So as you can see that I have taken the strainer in my left hand, holding the saucepan in my right hand, and now I am placing this strainer over the cup, and I am going to pour the tea, and this through this filter it is going into my cup. Now I have to place the strainer over other cup, and I am doing the same activity here. As you can see, the tea has been strained. So you can see 2 cups of tea. So I am going to taste first. Little sugar is required, I think. Anyways, so thank you guys. So thank you very much. I am holding these 2 cups in my both hands. थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो ऐसे गाइज आप अपने अंग्रेजी का इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें. तो अब आपको करना क्या है, आप बर्तन धोने जाइए. आप बर्तन धोते समय देखना कि आप क्या क्या कर रहे हो, जो जो कर रहे हो, उठा रहे हो, रख रहे हो, नल चला रहे हो, ये सब यूज करो. अगर इसके वर्ड्स ना मिले तो फिर गूगल सर्च करो. होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा दोस्त, तब होगा. चलिए गाइज, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. हैव फन.